Hi, first grade mathematicians. It's Mrs. Gady. And today you are going to find some missing numbers. And you're going to use your addition and subtraction skills and strategies to do that. Let me show you the I can statement. It looks like this. Read it along with me. I can use math to find missing numbers in equations. Oh, yes, you can. And there's a special kind of name for this. This kind of math is called algebra. Yeah, you're doing algebra right now. When you find a number that's missing inside of an equation, you're doing algebra. It's so cool. So the thing with this algebra is those strategies I taught you last week for addition and subtraction will come in very handy. Do you remember any of those? Last week we talked about the takeaway strategy, the count up strategy, and using those addition facts you already know, like your fact families. So let me show you what I mean. If you get a problem that looks like this, how will we figure out the missing number? Say I gave you 12, take away 6 equals some number. It's the missing number right there. Now this one is sort of a regular equation. We're used to seeing it like this. We've got the two numbers first, then the equal sign, and then they want the answer. All right, well, you know what? When I see a 12 minus 6, I automatically think doubles. So in my mind, I know my doubles. I know that 6 plus 6 equals 12. So 12 take away 6 equals 6. That's right. 12 take away 6 equals 6. And that was just using an addition fact that I already knew. If I couldn't remember it, hey, I could use my fingers. But it's kind of hard to do it with 12, starting with 12, because I don't have 12 fingers, and then try to take away 6. I could draw a picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's my 12. I need to take away 6. All right, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I took those 6 away, and lo and behold, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. Boom, did it. All right, now get ready. Get a piece of paper, get a pencil. You're going to practice along with me. Pause the video so you have time to get it, my friends. Okay? All right, so you've got a paper, you've got a pencil, you're ready to practice with me. What if I gave you a problem, and I want you to write this down? 6 plus 6 equals, oh, we should know this one really quickly. We just talked about it. We're using our fact family here. 6 plus 6 equals, yay, 12. Hey, we solved for those missing numbers. Okay, I'm going to make it a teeny bit trickier now. I'm going to give you a problem where it's not this number that we're solving for, but one of these in the equation here. I'm going to take one of those away, and I'm going to give you a problem. Let's see. Let me draw a line through here, and I want you to write this down with me. Let's try 3 plus some missing number equals 6. So we're not looking for the answer to the equation. We're looking for this number right here. Some number added to 3 will equal 6. I'm thinking doubles. I'm thinking back to those addition facts I know really quickly in a snap. 3 plus, that's right, 3 plus 3 equals 6. Okay, easy. It was a double. What if it's this one? What if, okay, write this down with me. 3 plus some number equals 8. Ooh, okay. I could use my fingers. I could draw a picture. I could use a strategy from last time. Could I just count up? Could I just start at 3 on my fingers and count up until I get to 8? Absolutely. So watch this. I think 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's right. 3 plus 5 more equals 8. And I could draw a picture to prove it. So I could draw 1, 2, 3, but I want to get to 8. So there's my 3 I started with. And let's see, 3, and I need to get to 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh yeah, look at this. 3 plus 5 more equaled, 8. All right, look, we solved for those missing numbers right there in the middle of the equation. What if I gave you a problem where the missing number was at the beginning of an equation? What if I gave you this problem right here? Let's see. Some number plus 4 equals 10. This number is missing and it's at the beginning of the equation. Well, if you know your facts to 10, your addition facts to 10, you might be able to get it quickly. But if you don't, you could try a takeaway method. You could just do the opposite. Because this is a fact family, you could think of it as 10 take away 4 is going to equal some number. You could use the count up method. You could start at 4 and count up until you get to 10. I think I'm going to try that one. So if I start at 4, I'm thinking 4, and I count up 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many more to get to 10? 6. Absolutely. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. And if you wanted to draw a picture of that to prove it, you could start with the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's the 10. That's the total. And we know we have 4. So we already had 4. So I'm going to take these 4 right here. That's what we started with. And then we were solving for this number. So we just need to see how many are left. And I can see right here that that's 5 plus 1 more is 6. Yep. So this part right here proved that 6 plus 4 equals 10. All right, my friends, as you can see, sometimes the missing number is at the beginning of an equation. Sometimes the missing number is in the middle of the equation. And sometimes the missing number is at the end of the equation. You can solve for any of those places. You are doing algebra when you do that, my friends. All right, first graders, let me show you what today's Seesaw activity looks like. So I'm going to make this smaller, open up Seesaw. I'll move myself over here. So when you go into Seesaw today, your work template is going to look like this, and it says, I can find the missing numbers. And I've given you 8 equations, and each equation has a box where you need to fill in the missing number. Sometimes the missing number is in the middle. Sometimes the missing number is at the end. And sometimes the missing number, oh, this is tricky, is in the beginning, but look how it's written backwards. Look at this one, and then look at this one, and this one. Notice that the equal sign is right here. And we've got the answer first. 4 equals 7 minus some missing number. We can always flip-flop the equations. Remember, we get used to that in our brains. Equations can go either directions. It's super cool. Over here, right here, look at this one. 8 equals 6 plus some number. Yeah, you can have that equation sign first. Your job, first graders, is to fill in these boxes with the number that works there. Use your fingers, draw pictures, use addition facts, maybe the takeaway strategy, or maybe the counting up strategy. Anything that works for you. And if it's hard for you to use the tools on Seesaw to write in the answers right here, you can always just write it out on paper and take a picture and put it in Seesaw for us that way. All right, that is all, first graders. Until next time, bye-bye.